3D PDF is a standard PDF file with images, text, links and multimedia content, which contains one or more 3D models that can be viewed dynamically and interactively through the free Adobe Reader software. One can rotate and illuminate the embedded 3D model, as well as indicate cross-sections, views, dimensions and annotations which are not visible in the conventional PDF file. In the Adobe Reader Acrobat Reader DC software, the user can explore the 3D model interactively and can navigate to some precise structures of its parts and assemblies. PDF Maker Smart doesn't require to have any CAD program installed on your PC and allows you to import all major 3D formats. Once the model is imported, you export it to a 3D PDF with just a mouse click, selecting the required render and lighting modes and maintaining all the views. It is extremely easy to navigate your model in a 3D PDF document, even for a non-expert user, who will simply need to click on the images of automatically saved views. Obviously, you can also easily insert your 3D PDFs in any part of another PDF document to complete it with a 3D model. The additional module, 3D PDF Editor, allows to insert your 3D model in any PDF document, even a multi-page one such as leaflets, brochures and manuals. The complete management of links, the possibility to add links to documents, websites, pages and views with their additional rendering and lighting settings facilitates creation of high-quality technical and commercial PDF documentation, which are easy to explore. When your trial period is over, 3D PDF Maker Smart continues functioning as a free viewer for CAD and BIM projects.